Planet of the Apes is a groundbreaking science fiction film that was released in 1968. Directed by Franklin J. Schaffner, the film stars Charlton Heston, Roddy McDowall, Kim Hunter, and Maurice Evans. The movie is based on the 1963 French novel La Planète des Singes by Pierre Boulle and tells the story of a group of astronauts who, after a long journey through space, crash land on a strange planet where intelligent apes rule over human-like creatures. One of the major themes in the film is the exploration of power dynamics and the consequences of oppression. The apes, who are the dominant species on the planet, use their intelligence and technology to subjugate the human-like creatures, known as humans, and use them as slaves. This theme is a commentary on the real-world issues of racism and oppression, and the dangers of allowing one group to hold too much power over another. The film portrays the apes as the oppressors, but it also makes it clear that the humans are not without their own faults and prejudices. The human character of Landon, for example, is initially dismissive of the intelligence and humanity of the apes, and his gradual realization of their true nature is one of the key arcs of the film. Another major theme is the question of what it means to be human. The humans in the film are portrayed as primitive and animalistic, while the apes are the more advanced and intelligent species. This theme raises questions about the nature of humanity and the characteristics that define us as a species. The film also explores the idea of evolution and the possibility of intelligent life on other planets. The film's portrayal of the apes as the intelligent and advanced species serves to challenge traditional notions of intelligence and humanity, and it implies that intelligence and civilization are not the exclusive domain of humanity. The film also has a strong anti-war message, as the climax of the film is a battle between the apes and the humans. The film shows how war leads to destruction and suffering for both sides, and how it ultimately causes the collapse of both civilizations. The film's portrayal of the apes and the humans as two sides of the same coin, both capable of both good and evil, serves to emphasize the futility and destructive nature of war. Planet of the Apes was a critical and commercial success, and it has had a significant impact on cinema and popular culture. It spawned 4 sequels, a television series, and a reboot franchise. The film's iconic imagery and social commentary continue to be referenced and parodied in popular media. The ending of the film, in particular, is considered one of the most iconic and memorable endings in the history of cinema, as it reveals that the planet on which the story takes place is actually Earth, in a future where humanity has been destroyed by nuclear war. This ending serves to emphasize the film's anti-war message and to make the audience question their own actions and the potential consequences of their choices. In conclusion, Planet of the Apes is a thought-provoking science fiction film that explores themes of power dynamics, oppression, and the nature of humanity. Its anti-war message and memorable ending have cemented its place in popular culture as a classic and influential film. The film's exploration of the consequences of oppression and the question of what it means to be human are particularly relevant today, and the film's ability to make the audience question their own actions and the potential consequences of their choices make it a timeless classic that continues to be relevant and impactful today.